I'm Elijah Jobs, and I'm a YACster, participant of Youth Arts Collective. And today I'm here to talk to y'all about what art means to me, and honestly, what it means to a lot of the people that go here to Youth Arts Collective. Kind of to start, I'd like to talk about what art means, which is a very difficult thing to define because art is pretty much creation. So it's creating something new out of the context of your society and all the art that's come before you. So it's taking the past, your own past, what you've learned through art, and making something new out of it. And I think the communities like this are really important to that because that's bringing the present into something that can be kind of focused on the past. And also bringing in the future too, because a lot of these communities help you get your art out there and make an impact or contribution to the world.
It has impacted me in a way that it's helped me to express more. I have a lot of trouble talking about my feelings, and art has really helped me because it allows me to just draw down whatever I'm feeling instead of usually having to say it, but now I can speak, which is good.
Having people that you can collaborate with and talk to and build meaning from is really important to art, and that's part of the massive value that these places have. They also provide a ton of resources for students that want to get into art and generally help artists, and I think when you help artists, you help society because creating new ideas, learning how to express those ideas and contributing to the world is something that you learn through doing art, and you sort of can create meaning through the process.
Art is essential to me because it helps me communicate in ways that I can't often express with words.
Art has helped me through the hardest times in my life. The act of art is the act of love, peace, and rebellion against the status quo. Beyond the act of art is the community of art, which one joins the second they lift their pencil, to the day they spread their spirit through their art. I believe that it's really important that we listen to our artists in the community and their needs because art enriches all of us.